Okay, so I'm gonna be walking through how to attach the arms to the lion's body. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on its side. I think this is the most helpful way to start. That last row that we built of the arm that kind of builds that shoulder out, that's gonna go at the top. Again, we're sewing this in place between rounds 1 and 2. So I'm gonna hold this in place here, and I'm just gonna start with my daring needle going through the arm and the body, and we're gonna be working in a circle, going around the base of the arm. Again, you're sewing this in place between rounds 1 and 2, just going around in this circle here. Okay, and as we get close to the bottom of the arm, I'm gonna go ahead and add a knot here just to help hold that in place a little better. And then I'll finish going around the circle. Okay, you can see here the stitches that still need to be put in place. I'm going through essentially each stitch of the arm. Okay, and then once that's sewn in, I'm just gonna take this, going through the top here, and we're just gonna work this yarn tail back through the body. And then you'll repeat this for the second arm on the other side.